What's up? Good morning, everyone. So I wanted to show you something real quick. We got a Toyota forklift. It is a diesel. This is not the propane one. This runs on diesel. So what I want to show you is an issue that I'm having on this forklift, and I'm going to show you the solution, because anytime I looked up a video, they just went way too deep, made it way too complicated for me, kind of hurt my brain just to watch the videos. So I'm going to simplify this one for you. So now, first things first, turn the key on, and let me show you this. So now, if you look, you got a flashing wrench, which means something's wrong. You got to check engine light, but it'll be on in a second when I try to start it. E16-1 is your code, so watch. You hear how bad it starts. It starts with a really low, rough idle. So initially, you would think that look, I'm not getting no throttle response. So my first thought would have been throttle pedal sensor, etc., etc. But after a little bit of troubleshooting and diagnosis, I figured out a real simple issue, and it's really, really easy to figure out. So, no throttle pedal, right? First things first, you're gonna check fuses, relays, obviously. Next thing I want you to do is, let me close that. Next I want you to do is lift up the floor panel right here. And I want you to just, check your plugs right there. And then check all your wiring running back. Just make sure. And then the wiring for the foot pedal is under here. So you check that, make sure it's all clean. It could be something as simple as that, moisture in there, anything like that. Okay, check your fluids, oil, transmission, coolant. But let me show you what I found wrong with this unit. Turn the key off. So I was over here digging through wires from front to back. What I found wrong with the unit is, check this out. See that? The fuel rail sensor was not plugged in all the way. So now, get it so it clicks. Clicked it on. Now, let's try it again. Let's see if it works. You can already hear how it started better. As you can see, no wrench, no check engine light. And I have throttle response. There you guys go. I just had to simplify this one for you guys, only because I went through a whole bunch of different videos and there was none that easy and simple to show you, a direct issue. Now, I'm sure there's other issues for that issue, but that's just a good starting point. So if you enjoyed this or learned something, or if you think this was helpful, don't forget to follow or subscribe. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you.